Some parts get a second chance and help protect the planet in the process. Imagine offering your shop a bearing that costs less, restores performance, and reduces carbon dioxide emissions by nearly 90% compared to a brand new unit. Well, having a circular economy strategy makes that all possible. We look at what goes into that approach in this edition of Taking Stock of Sustainability. Sustainability isn't just about cleaner engines, it's also about keeping parts in use for as long as possible. That's where the circular economy comes in. For companies like Schaeffler, that means following 8 key principles. All of them just happen to start with the letter R. Refuse, rethink, reduce, reuse, repair, refurbish, remanufacture, and recycle. These strategies help reduce environmental impact while preserving the quality and performance technicians expect. Schaeffler puts these principles into action across a product's entire life cycle. The company designs components to use fewer raw materials, sources recycled steel when possible, and recycles nearly all metal scrap from production. Beyond manufacturing, Schaeffler prioritizes part reuse, repair, and remanufacturing to extend product life and reduce waste. For the aftermarket, that means high-quality parts that meet performance standards while supporting long-term sustainability goals for shops and service centers. Instead of throwing away used bearings, customers can send them to Schaeffler for inspection, cleaning, regrinding, and restoration. The result is a like-new bearing with OEM-quality performance at a significantly lower cost. The numbers speak for themselves. Remanufacturing a bearing can reduce carbon dioxide emissions by up to 90% compared to producing a new one. It can also cut costs by as much as 70%. As a CounterPro, you play a major role in guiding customers towards smarter, more sustainable solutions. So when shops ask about replacement bearings, you can mention Schaeffler's remanufactured options, and you can also point out that they offer the same performance as new bearings with lower cost and environmental impact. Schaeffler's circular economy strategy keeps quality parts in use and out of the scrap pile. By promoting remanufactured bearings, you support a smarter, more sustainable approach to the aftermarket. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Taking Stock of Sustainability.